What's up, my lowriders? It is Friday, and even though my back is still hurting a little bit, I decided to still come to the gym. So with that being said, I'm at the gym, and let me show y'all what my gym look like since everybody wanna post their gym. We got the cinema. You can come in and watch a movie while you're working out. You guys see all the equipment. You never have to worry about not having something to work out with. All the weights and everything. The classes. And back there is the locker room. They don't let you take your camera back in the locker room like that, so I won't. Just finished my workout. I did what the doctor told me to do for my back. It hurts every machine she told me to get on. I did get on. There's only 2 machines, and right where my back is hurting is where I felt it. So she said come 5 days out of the week and only do 30 minutes. I did my 30 minutes. Hopefully this helps my back. Okay guys, just left the gym. Now I'm at the store getting some coffee because I don't have any coffee at home. Yeah, the non-fat one. Sugar-free.
Sugar-free?
Mm-hmm. Coffee and cream. Okay, you guys, my oldest son came over to help me revamp or reupholstery this chair because, child, y'all saw what I did the last time. And I didn't take it apart, so he's taking it apart and doing it the proper way. I had kind of sort of took some of the material off that was peeling and then just put something over it, some sticky stuff, but that didn't work out, so he gonna do it for me the proper way. This is the chair before.
it can't cut air.
You want something to spread it out with?
I have gravity for that. I have gravity for that.
You guys, we're at Walmart because I couldn't find my staple gun and that glue wasn't helping with the upholstery thing, so I found the staples, but I didn't find the staple gun. So we're here to get that and get it done right. Okay, you guys, I'm 98% done with the beauty room. You guys saw the rug. I did the top of the table. A little bit of leather around that, the top of this. Y'all saw that. Got the curtains. Kept my picture up because it matches. This is the picture that inspired the colors that I want. My son got me this picture for Christmas. Also did the desk. And then all my little trinkets for the inside of here. I did the top of that too.
Oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you. All the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday. Is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can.
I'm gonna get a tree for that wall over there by the TV, and that's about it. Cause this had my back hurting today. Let me know what you guys think. This is what it looks like at nighttime when I'm done working. And I just want to come in here and chill and watch a movie. I'll sit right here or right there. And I'll turn this chair right here. Oh yeah, and I redid the chair, you guys. I forgot to show you guys that. With that fabric I showed you guys. Put my feet up here and watch a movie. Okay, you guys, here's what the chair looked like before. And then you're going to see pictures of what it looks like after. That's not after, though. I had fun doing this, you guys, and I took my time getting this stuff, but then when I started really doing it, I was like tired, and that contact paper was work. And yeah, so with that being said, you guys, I done. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And also, let me know what you think about my beauty room remodel.